The 7 small business marketing tactics that can provide outstanding results are covered in this video. 1. Customized email advertising. Customers want for individualized attention, and email marketing offers the ideal remedy. Email marketing is a popular approach for customer acquisition and retention because it is one of the most popular marketing strategies for small businesses. Personalized emails help you connect with your customers on a deeper level. To nurture leads at different stages and make their buying experience as joyful as possible, drip email campaigns using email list management software can be used. Your brand appears more real to customers when emails are customized. By going one step further with personalization, you may create special offers and coupons for your devoted consumers based on their past purchases and preferences. 2. Automated marketing. Many of your business operations can be streamlined with the aid of automation. To save time and increase employee productivity, it is crucial for small businesses to automate their marketing procedures. One of the essential marketing tactics for your company if you want to operate wisely and expand is automation. For email marketing, lead scoring and nurturing, systematic content posting, social media management, referral marketing, and many more tasks, top-notch automation technologies are available. In addition to increasing team productivity, automation can dramatically increase conversion rates. Brand story 3. The days of aggressive sales are over. Telling a story is the key to marketing your goods and services in 2022. With a fresh perspective, content marketing is still one of the greatest marketing techniques for small businesses. Invest in developing personalized content rather than bragging to your target market about how great your product is. Tell potential customers how your product has aided in your customers' resolution of a specific issue. Has your product facilitated your consumers' quicker achievement of a given objective? Present it with statistics and examples from the real world. Top tools like SEMrush can help you improve the SEO value of your content. 4. Use of influencers. Did you believe that the bigger brands were the only ones who benefited from influencer marketing? That is not true. One of the effective marketing techniques for a small business to increase brand recognition and produce high-quality leads is influencer marketing. On social media sites like Instagram and TikTok, influencers have their own devoted fan bases that engage with them and look to them for advice. This is one of the greatest marketing tactics for your small business because it has a high engagement rate. You can choose and enter into an agreement with influencers operating in your niche and area to authentically promote your business. If your company is centered on the plant-based movement, you may want to collaborate with influencers who support a vegan or dairy-free diet. You can get in touch with a target audience with a lot of potential for minimal financial outlay. 5. Listing on Google My Business. Every small business that wants to improve its internet visibility must have a Google My Business, GMB, listing. Why is it necessary? Google searches reveal that individuals visit 1.5 billion locations each month, and 76% of those who look for something nearby visit the business within a day. It is essential that you endeavor to establish a robust online presence for your business so that potential clients may find you when they search online. Your company can gain the extensive visibility and reputation it needs by adding a listing to Google My Business. It ought to be one of your small business's top marketing methods as a result. 6. Online event promotion. Digital events have become increasingly popular in recent years. Podcasts, online conferences, live chats, and webinars are effective methods for organizations to produce high-quality leads online. Additionally, these online events give brands the chance to learn more about their audiences and promote to them directly. As a small business owner, you can participate in or organize online events to introduce your offerings and the problems they solve to your target market. By interacting with your customers through surveys and polls, you may also learn more about their preferences and adjust your marketing tactics accordingly. 7. Marketing by referral. Utilizing different kinds of referral programs to capitalize on a happy customer's goodwill is one of the best marketing methods for small businesses. Ask your customers to tell their friends and family about the things they love when they are satisfied with your brand. Take the food sector as an example. If you can learn to please clients who value comfort and convenience, your chances of getting their recommendations to their contacts increase. You can politely encourage these clients to tell their friends about your goods and reward them for sending you quality prospects. Making decisions about your small business marketing plans. Because your company is distinct, so too should your marketing tactics be. You shouldn't, however, lose sight of the fact that some small businesses still find value in and relevance to more traditional marketing techniques like flyers and posters. These digital marketing techniques, which range from using automated tools and local SEO to referral marketing, can help your small business expand. Try them out to help your business succeed.